Okay. Welcome to the Crypto Factor. Welcome to your favorite cryptopreneurship show. My name is Paul, and today we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price. We're going to be talking about altcoins. A lot of people are telling you Altseason will never come. Altseason is over with. Altseason is now different. Don't listen to them. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about memes and how they're shifting. Meme coins are changing, so to speak, and you have to be aware of this throughout this bull market. We'll be answering your questions in the chat, but let's start by saying, hey, what's up? How are you? How are you doing? Where are you watching from? Right now, I'm in Greece. I am drinking my sparkling water, fizzy water, so if I burp, don't mind me. But please tell me where you're watching from. Tell me what you are drinking. And let's get started. I see Harry saying, I'm in the gym, I can't listen, but when Altseason. You're going to have to listen, bro. You're going to have to listen. I hope you can hear me, by the way. Let me just put this limiter on here just in case it's a bit too loud. I should be sounding okay today. So let's have a look. Let's see what's going on real quick. Let's start with the charts here. And we are looking at Bitcoin. This is the hourly, excuse me, we don't look at that. And we're looking at Bitcoin and it's holding at 104,000. It's been holding above 100,000 for a while. This looks extremely bullish in my opinion here. As a matter of fact, the range is 101.3 to 102. Holding above this, and if you want to get technical, even at 99,000, it's pretty much the same range over here. And no, I'm not drawing lines or anything today. I really can't be bothered. But generally speaking, I do see this coming up, breaking resistance, going into all-time highs, going into price discovery, and blue sky breakout. Now, a lot of people were yo-yoing between bullish and bearish the last few days. And I have to say this because this is important, okay? We'll get to altcoins in a second. I've said this before, I'm going to say it again. There are reasons why YouTubers and YouTube influencers, crypto influencers are going back and forth, okay? There's a few reasons. Number one, they don't know what the fuck they're talking about. A lot of them are talking about technical analysis. They don't know how to do technical analysis. This is not me exaggerating. Believe me, just trust me in this, okay? Number two is they know technical analysis, but the problem is they have to show you day trading TA. Why do they show you day trading TA? Well, it's very simple, because they want to get the views, so they do day trading. The problem is none of you day trade, because if you did, you would be watching these videos. So you're saying bullish one day, bearish the other day, but it's in the same structure. We're still bullish long term, and you just get wrecked trying to trade this when you can't, because you don't even know how to trade it. And it's not me dissing you here, I'm dissing them because it's unresponsible. Of course, they won't get the views if they put one TA video every 2 weeks or every month and it's the same TA over the last few days. Yes, I understand that, but unless you are learning how to day trade, in which case you'd be watching something like the chart guys that teach you how to do it, then you're just shooting yourself in the foot and getting wrecked, and so are they, because they have to do this. Couple that with a few emotional thumbnails to get the clicks, you see why you get wrecked. And the third reason is, well, those are the two main reasons actually. There is a third reason, but let's just move on, because I don't want to sit here ranting about YouTubers. But generally speaking, right now, Bitcoin's 105,000 almost. There is no reason to get bearish. Even if you come down to the 92,000, it would still be in this bigger range. Yes, it would be scary, but it would still be bullish. This is still a bull market. I don't understand why this is so hard to see here, right? So that's what is going on with Bitcoin. When you're talking about altcoins here, let's just go to the top 100, you can see that, as I said a few days ago, when everyone was panicking, we're gonna pump over the weekend. And if you want me to show you a screenshot or throw a screenshot up there, me telling my group this, no problem, but I'm sure the mods and some people in my group can attest to this, that I've been saying that we're gonna pump this weekend. Now, is this gonna continue? We don't know, but generally speaking, we're gonna go up, okay? Now, let's move on. Actually, let's have a look at the altcoins here. We're seeing a few of them actually make a few moves over here. And to be fair, This time, usually my favorites and my smaller positions outperform all these. This time, they are not, okay? This is because we have some big losers in here as well. This is the smaller positions. As you can see, we have some good ones going up, but as you can see, we have some going down. Same over here. But generally speaking, we are doing very good, especially if you go to different time frames. So I am actually bullish when it comes to altcoins over here. Now, what's going on with Altseason? Because I see a lot of people saying Altseason's over, Altseasons are coming. I've watched a few videos, I'm not going to name them, saying that this time is changed because money's coming into Bitcoin from Institute and all that money and the dominance is going up, and they're forgetting the dominance chart is just a chart showing you the difference between altcoins and maybe the big three and Bitcoin. And their theory is that all the money is going to come into Bitcoin and into the top altcoins maybe, and not the rest, not into mid caps and low caps. And that is complete horseshit. It's complete horseshit because of a few reasons, okay? And I'm going to make a video this week talking about it. But let me give you the rundown here real quick. So, because a lot of you are panicking, a lot of you are worrying, and I don't want you to worry or panic. It's not healthy, okay? So number one, yes, as money comes in, most of it from institutions will probably go to Bitcoin, Solana, and so on. But you have to understand that markets run from greed. And other than those institutional plays, you do also have retail that's going to come in that are going to get greedy. They're going to hear tips. They're going to watch YouTubers, scammers, whatever, good YouTubers, doesn't really matter, my channel. And they're going to get into other coins as well. Second of all, you have to understand that whales will whales will play the whales games. And it doesn't take that much capital to make these altcoins pump. Those mid caps and low caps, it doesn't take that much for them to pump. So while money is coming into Bitcoin, and yes, Bitcoin's going to go a little higher, you're going to see altcoins pump as well. Altseason will happen. And it's going to happen. Maybe some narratives will overtake some other narratives, but it's going to happen, and then greed will take over. That's what happens every time. That's how we top. So you have, for example, AI. There is no doubt that AI, in my opinion, will keep on running, especially with AI agents, and especially once the narrative kicks in with AI is, I mean, come on, put it this way, US. We want to become number one in AI and crypto. Perfect trend stacked. We called this years ago, that AI will be trend stacked with crypto, and it will be the narrative of this bull market. That's what you're seeing right now. We even called AI agents, even though we didn't call them AI agents back then because there wasn't a word for them back then. But we were talking about this, and it actually happened a little bit faster than what we anticipated. Number two, so we have the AI agent narrative. We also have the American-made crypto narrative. We're going to see US crypto, if they're going to actually become tax-free, they will go up, or as people want to appease Donald Trump, they're going to go up. You're going to see XRP, God knows why, but you're going to see XRP, you're going to see ADA, you're going to see Litecoin, you're going to see Render. No one's really talking about Render as an American-based crypto. Last time I checked, it was made in California. Please fact check me. Feel free to fact check me on this. Sui, one of my favorite plays. Solana, one of my favorite plays. All these coins will do tremendously well. So these are altcoins. Altcoins. So altcoins, this narrative in itself will do well. Then you have meme coins, which are fundamentally changing right now. We said that AI agents are going to take over. Then Trump comes out, the president of the United States, launching a meme coin with his wife Melania, also launching a meme coin, and so on. Now, why is this important? Some people will say it's a scam, it's this, it's that. Well, listen to this. It's not a scam. It's a paradigm. See, whether this dumps or not, all right, or where they keep on dumping or pumping or whatever, you have to understand the message it gives here. And the message is this: hey, Volkswagens of the world, hey, Mercedes, hey, Gucci, hey, influencers, hey, celebrities, hey, crowdfunding companies out there. Guess what? Make a meme coin. I did. The presidents of the US. I am the US president, and I made a meme coin. Look what happened. Look how much attention I brought in. Why don't you do the same for your brand? So now brands are going to make meme coins. Meme coins may actually become what NFTs wanted to become. And not only that, may trend stack with meme coins, NFTs with meme coins later on in this market. So you're going to see new narratives here. We have 1,000 meme coins of so-and-so brand, get this one NFT that will also give you this. Do you understand how powerful this is? Do you understand the potential here? Not only that, each meme coin, this one's on Solana, okay? Maybe we have another one on Sui. Maybe this, maybe that. This brings people into crypto. Yes, they may get wrecked. And yes, the top will probably come in when everyone's going crazy with meme coins and everything. And then there's going to be a massive dump. And maybe in the next bull market, you're going to have good meme coins and bad meme coins, quotation marks. But that's the narrative here. How can you say there's no alt season? If you don't make money and you don't see an alt season, then you have to be... Holy crap, you have to be really, really bad. Like, you have to really be bad to miss this. There's going to be an altcoin season, and you'll be throwing a dart, and whatever you hit, it's going to go up, unless you were an XRP army last time, in the last cycle, and you hit XRP. That's it. Anything else you hit will go up. Do you understand that? The XRP will probably do well this bull market too. We talked about that. So I don't see why... A lot of people are saying this, that Altseason won't do this, Altseason won't do that. Now, moving on, I want to talk to you about a channel I just discovered today. I didn't have time to deep dive into it. It's called Crypto Decoder. He's actually making some pretty good videos. Some are a bit harsh. I want to look into more into these videos, but as you know, I do like shouting out new channels where I get info from and everything. And this channel here, Crypto Decoder, looks very, very promising. 995 subscribers. Let's give this channel a chance. I like the way he portrays. I like the way he says things. It looks like it's serious. And does say a lot of things I've been talking about. As a matter of fact, if you go to his Twitter account here, he's also on Twitter. I would follow him both on YouTube and Twitter. I actually followed him earlier on. I actually even tweeted this. I discovered a new crypto channel, Crypto Decoder. I haven't deep dive. Let's join him. Let's subscribe to him. Let's give him a chance. We need more good channels on YouTube. I just saw this. This is live, by the way. Thanks for the shout out. Trust me, I won't. I might be small and lack connections. But definitely, this is awesome, man. Let me just answer him real quick. You are on my live stream as we speak. Good luck. Maybe we can get him on the channel one day to talk. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, check out Crypto Decoder over here. And I really think it's worth watching. Now, going on to the questions, I want to be answering your questions in the chat. Please like this video for support. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on Twitter. I'm not going to talk about products or services. You know I have coaching available. You know I have a group available, an affordable one. It's a bit different than other groups. It's not like shilling or calls or anything like that. It's more of a 24 access for questions with me, being able to do a Zoom meeting once a week. We have like a live AMA, so to speak, and so on. It's an amazing community. Links are in the description down below. So is my coaching if you want someone to sit over your shoulder, show you how to do DeFi, show you how to do this, show you how to do that, or just, talk to me. I'm pimping myself out here. It's available if you want. But please do follow me on Twitter. I would really appreciate it. I do want to get my Twitter up there. And if you want to do that, you don't have to do that. It's not for everyone. I get it. Nor do you have to do that for me to give you value. But here you go. MC Paul D. If you want to follow me on Twitter, it's up to you. Do as you will. So, let's talk about your question. Let's get in. Oh, we have a narrative in disguise. The narrative in disguise, by the way, from the title, in case you're wondering, if you're watching this video and like, okay, but what's the new narrative in disguise? And what the hell is the year of the pig? Because I talked about the year of the pig in the title. So let's talk about that. The narrative is meme coins. Just explained it. If you're just joining the video, watch that. Rewind later on. Not now, because you're going to fuck up my watch time. But go back later on and watch this live stream, and you'll see the narrative of meme coins, why I think it's important, why I think that's a narrative in disguise, and also the year of the pig. Why is this the year of the pig? Am I getting astrological to you? No, I'm not getting astrological to you. What I'm trying to say is the year of the pig because I have a saying, okay? And the saying goes as follows. Bears make money, bulls make money, pigs get slaughtered. Let me say that again because I got a little bit mixed up, but it's still the same thing. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Why? Bulls make money, they invest in markets, they're positive, it goes up, they make money. Bears, they short sell, they make short positions and so on. They bet on negative sentiment, they make money, that's fine. Pigs get slaughtered. Pigs are the greedy ones. Pigs are the greedy people. Those of you that get too greedy. Who are the greedy ones? I'll give you an example. People that are lied to, people that get greedy when euphoria hits is, for example, let's talk about the XRP army. Let's pick on them. Why not? Because I like to do so. So you have the XRP army. They've held XRP forever. They didn't get out when I told them to get out before the SEC situation, and they blame everything other than the XRP other than what's going on, why the XRP price is not going up. We were sued by the SEC. Well, so was Solana. We called it $2 and $8 for this bull market. But anyway, we did this. They're always blaming and shifting blame, okay? Now, I said to get into XRP once it breaks 72 cents. That was the resistance before and after the SEC. If it holds over 72 cents, buy at the 72 cents to the dollar range. And then XRP, if it breaks all-time highs, which it probably will, if it breaks that dollar, which it's already doing well, we'll probably get to $4 to $7, maybe even 10 by the end of the bull market, but that's a bit of a stretch. That was my views on XRP. Now, why are they going to get wrecked? Because most of them are pigs. Why are most of them pigs? Because they think it's going to go 10K, 25K, 50K, which it's not, 1,000, whatever you want to name it, but they won't take profits. The smart thing to do would be taking profits at $4 to $7, maybe 10 if it gets there, and then letting the rest run. And if it goes to 50,000, you're still becoming a zillionaire because you have so many of them as an XRP holder. Don't be greedy, don't be a pig. And this is not just going to happen to XRP, it's going to happen to most coins out there. As a matter of fact, it's going to happen to professionals. All these crypto YouTubers, right, that are going to be millionaires on paper, it happens every time, they're going to get wrecked because they're going to get greedy because they're not going to want to believe the markets are topping and it's going down and it's going to feel like it's going to go up forever. People are going to be saying this time it's different. This time we have Trump. This time, we have blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'll give you the perfect example. I'll give you an extreme example. Let's say, yes, everything's different. Everything's great. And then the economy comes out, there's a hit, and there's a depression or recession. Boom, there you go. You got wrecked. Congratulations. It happens. And I'm not saying don't hold. I hold Bitcoin forever, right? But take profits. At least take profits into Bitcoin and USDT or Bitcoin only. That way, if there's a drop, you can even use that Bitcoin to buy the drop. And then you'll be safe because in the next bull market, if there is a bear market, Bitcoin will probably return and go even higher. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. By the way, not a good idea to have a treasury with different types of cryptocurrency. I'm not a Bitcoin maximalist. I love my altcoins. I'm talking about altcoins right here. You want Bitcoin only when it comes to the reserve currency. I'm telling you right now, it's the way to go. You'll have more confidence in crypto, more confidence from other countries. It's decentralized. It's like gold. You can have an ETF with American-made cryptocurrencies, and yes, the Fed could use that and bring that in, depending on the economic situation at the time, but you don't want it to be on a national level. Okay, that's what I had to say. Let's answer your questions. Let me take a sip of soda water first. And let's get going here. Let's see what we have. So MDR, and one of my mods actually deleted his, I'm not sure if you can see this, one of my mods deleted this question because he was challenging me. Let's not delete challenging questions. I like to be challenged. I don't have a problem with challenging. I just don't like spam and I don't like racism or anything like that. Not to me that much. I don't give a shit. I'm thick-skinned, but to people in the actual chat. But you're allowed to challenge me. I actually answered this. I gave my views on this. You are more than welcome to disagree, counter-trade me or whatever, but those are my views. Shafia says, bro, have you seen Toshi? No, I have not. Kali Passfield says, I hate money. I buy high and I sell low. Well, the biggest problem is not you buying high and selling low, is that you hate money. If you hate something, it's not going to work for you. It's very psychological. Loving money is also very bad, by the way. The love of money is very bad. But it's very different than what most people think, okay? So they say, there's a saying, it says, let me just remember the saying real quick. Give me a second here because I've been talking very fast and I have to think now. Oh man. Shit, I can't remember this. Anyway, let's just go on. Maybe it comes to me later on. But generally speaking, you don't want to hate something. If you hate something, it doesn't really work. Hateful relationships don't work, okay? So you want to be positive. You want to actually love it. You don't have to be in love with it. I'm not saying praise it. I'm not saying like idolize it. I'm not saying do it biblically. It says the love of money is the root of all evil. Yeah, it's the love of money, and it doesn't mean it, in my opinion, because I'm talking about the Bible, and I don't want to talk too much about the Bible because I might be wrong. I don't want to send anyone to hell here. But don't forget that God has many accounts, has made many people prosperous in the Bible as well. And the love of money, it depends on the way. I can't remember, fucking hell, I can't, for the life of me, my head just blocked, so I can't even go on right on that. But generally speaking, I hope you get the drift. I'll get back into it later on. What do I think about Wifey? So I don't know what Wifey is. I'm not sure if you're spelling it right. So let me just really quickly pull it up and see which one. Wifey map? You have to give me more context. I have no idea what it is. If I look at the chart on Wifey map, if this is what you're talking about, it looks like complete shit, and I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. Unless it breaks 0.096. Otherwise, there's no point to be in. There's other plays in there, if that's what you're talking about. But I do need more context if you ask questions. What's up, Sha? What's up, Chuck? Brian, my man. Sha, my man. Okay. Harry says, I'm in the gym, can't read. Yeah, we talked about this earlier on. Please don't kill yourself off the treadmill, but do hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. No matter what you're doing right now, whether you're at the gym, you could be bench pressing right now. You could be bench pressing, okay, Brian? Bench pressing. It's okay. Reach out and hit the like button. Hit the like button. Maybe the weight will go up. You could do one arm for a while you're hitting the like button, okay? It's okay. It'll be fine. You won't kill yourself. You won't hurt yourself at all. Don't worry about it. If you're having sex right now, it's okay. Hit the like button. Just reach around. she won't think it's weird at all. Just hit the like button. And if she asks, just say, yeah, I'm liking the Crypto Factor. She'll be like, oh, okay, I love that guy. And it'll be okay. Just hit the like button. If you're cooking and your phone is inside, you got your ear pods on, and you're worried about your food burning, and it's okay. Leave the food, go inside, hit the like button. Let the food burn. Charcoal's good for you. They infuse it in everything nowadays. They have it in toothpaste. So go ahead, hit the like button. You have no excuse to not hit the like button. You really don't. Okay, now. Kale says, double top this cycle, maybe. Everyone thinks top is fall, early, midsummer, first top, massive bear trap. Okay, so we have a bit of a view here with the markets. You probably know my views already. We've talked about this for a while. Don't know if it's going to be a double top. It was last time. We called it perfectly with a temporary bottom at 30K. Let's see what happens this time. I don't want to make any calls yet. I am expecting a drop before the summertime, a drop in summertime, then another run, but I'm not sure if it's going to extend beyond or if it's going to be cut short. Let's see. Near Seattle, Chuck, my man. At what price would you sell all your Bitcoin? My Bitcoin? All of it? Probably never. I always take profits in Bitcoin and USDT, and I also live off crypto. So, but I never sell all my Bitcoin. I would probably sell, if you're asking about the top, I'd be selling parts of it, $140 to $150. 120 to 140,000, and then again. I'm looking at the top, again around 160-ish, and then again 180 because I'm expecting 200 to be the absolute top. But even if it goes to 250, doesn't matter because the difference is two. But in increments, I don't look at price. I look at time and I look at charts and I go off of that. I don't say this is when I'm gonna sell. Well, it all depends when and how it gets there. And that's how much the profit I'll take depends on that as well. Jupiter doing good. Yeah, Jupiter is doing good. I actually got the airdrop. That is doing very, very well. I actually staked it, so let's hope it does well. Hi, Paul. What's happening with Sui and Fetch AI? I think Sui is going to do great. I'm not sure what you mean by what's happening with it. Am I missing something? Let's have a look at Fetch real quick. So Fetch hasn't been performing that well because all the attention is going to AI agents. But as you can see, this is the prior top over here, and we're now just sitting at that support level. So I think that's very bullish, and I think this is going to run later on. And then when it comes to Sui, it's doing amazing. I don't know why people are complaining about it. I think it's undervalued. I've made a lot of videos about it. Currently sitting at $4. Look at this. Coming up, coming up, coming up. Look, it's okay. So we might come down to 3.6, but I doubt it. I think $4, nice psychological support as long as everything else keeps running. I think it'll run and do very, very well. So I wouldn't have a problem even if it came down to $3 or even all the way down to 2.4. I'd still be bullish on Sui, and we did call it below $2 anyway, so there's no point, no problem holding it for us anyway. The Bitcoin's maxes are coming up because XRP is the chosen one. We know that, Paul. What do I think? I think XRP is complete crap. Why do I think it's complete crap? Because it's based on lies. Now, when I say it's based on lies, you have to understand that I still traded it, right? I've been talking about it. I've been unbiased about it. I've been right about XRP ever since I started talking about XRP. But the reason I don't like it is a few reasons. Number one, first of all, the XRP army are complete liars. XRP influencers are complete shit. They talk crap. They lie. They literally lie on posts they make. I've actually saved some posts. I can prove it. I can make a video like this tomorrow, show you where all the lies are from each influencer, no problem. Either they're complete blatant lying about it to try and get their bags to pump, which is fucking shit. It's disgusting. I hate people that do that. Or they're just parroting shit they heard without the understanding of it, and they're just talking complete shit without realizing they're talking about complete shit. So that's the problem. Now, XRP in itself as a coin, it's good. It's a very good centralized coin. I haven't got a problem with that. But now, apparently Brad Garlinghouse went a little bit war-ish on Bitcoin, and he started lying about Bitcoin. And the problem there is that he should know better because he's a smart man. So he made some accusations, some lies, and now the Bitcoin maximalists saying, you know what? Okay, let's just talk about this. And now they're attacking XRP. I really don't care. I hold Bitcoin. I don't hold XRP. I don't care if it pumps. I'm good with it. I made my trade, showed you my trade, made money on it. Now I'm not touching it. I don't like it because it's centralized. I don't like it for a few reasons. I'm against the CBDC. Ripple was for the CBDC. Simple shit, okay? Very simple. Don't like it. B-Germ on the treadmill, hitting the like button. A lot of people on the treadmill nowadays. They're all getting ready for something and probably running away for something. Hello, community. What's up, Sinate? Daryl says, Brother Paul, would you take your profits from XRP? I don't have XRP right now. If I did have XRP, and then put them in Bitcoin or wait. No, if you are holding XRP and you don't have a problem holding XRP, you can keep some XRP. If you're trading it, you're making money, that's fine. I don't, and I think in the short term, at some point, XRP will out-profit Bitcoin, but not in the long term. And that's what history shows, and that's what's been shown so far. Not just XRP, but all altcoins. Most of them, right? So, but I have no problem with you holding XRP. If you're holding it, it's part of your portfolio, I'm good with it. Agent says, I think they might fucked up. They should have risen market cap by now or just regularly swap finance. Not sure what you mean. Not sure what you mean, which coin you're talking about, man. I'm sorry, Adrian. Harry says, would you sell all your BC? I would never sell all my Bitcoin. I would sell part of my Bitcoin. I accumulate Bitcoin over time, if that makes sense. So Bitcoin is like my investing in gold for me. Henry says, hello from California. 4 years ago on January 9, if Doge began its run, hopefully this week a new run begins for all crypto. Let's see. That's a good point, Henry. Henry, I remember you, man. Thiago says, when Lambo, Van Hala, please. You keep on asking this every single live stream. Soon, my friend, it's not that easy getting a Lambo, is it? You thought this was going to be... People think that... You know how people say, oh, bull markets are easy. No, they're not. Bull markets are not easy. It takes conviction. It takes patience. It's nerve-wracking, right? It's nerve-wracking. It's crazy. This is not a knife, by the way. It's my comb because I have hair. But you know what I mean. It's hard. This thing is hard. Anybody that told you becoming a millionaire is easy is a liar because they never became a millionaire. It's a hard game, people. Push the like button for yourselves. You're in crypto. Most people are out. Most people would never touch it. I have people I've been begging to get into crypto. They just don't get in. They just don't. It's very hard. What you're doing is excellent. Believe me, you're in the forefront. Listening from Knoxville, Tennessee. Right before your question, Harry's asking, are you buying? I have no more capital to buy, man. I'm all in. So what do I think about XCN? I don't hold XCN and don't know anything about it. I did see it blast off. I think it caught my eye. Onyx Coin, yeah. Someone mentioned this before. I'm not in it, unfortunately, so I don't know anything about it. So it was nothing all this time. Now it's blasting off. Why? I have no idea. But I would wait at this point, if you're not in yet, I would wait for it to break above 53 cents and maybe again 66 cents. Make that range support, then buy it. That's what I would do personally. So I wouldn't touch this unless it broke that, in my opinion. Some say that we have diminished returns due to number of alts. Yeah, there's a lot of alts, and a lot of alts will fail, but that does not mean you don't have Altseason. It just means that those won't run, because you can't you can't put all the scams and bullshit in the same category as altcoins that are actually doing something or narratives that are doing well. There's always separation, if that makes sense. And yes, maybe more of them will disappear, or more of them are scams, or more of them won't run, but that does not mean you don't have an alt season. You just have an alt season with the right types of alts, if that makes sense. I know this sounds weird and everything, but that's how it is. And yes, maybe this alt season, not all alt seasons will run. Maybe 1/3 or 1/5 or 1/10 will run. That's okay. It's still an alt season. You can't, because alt season those alts will outperform Bitcoin, if that makes sense. Sell all your proof of stake centralized scam and buy decentralized proof of work. I agree with proof of work, but I would agree that it's only Bitcoin as well. But Casper is also good. It has a lot of promising. I like Casper. I just it needs more proof of concept, but I think it's good. And if you're holding Casper, good to you. No, proof of stake coins will do well, and there's massive profits to be made, and then you can buy more Bitcoin with those profits, in my opinion. But I understand where you're coming from. Muscle Mike 13, you are 100% correct. I tell everyone, if you don't know day trading, then you should just hodl. If you want to learn day trading, do it during the bear cycle. Yeah, you could buy now. You could invest and learn how to trade, and the best way to trade is to swing trade, not day trade. You can do that. I like to swing trade. I don't like day trading. I used to teach day trading in Forex. I wasn't very good at it. I was much better at swing trading. So, you know, each person has their own style, and it takes to lose a lot of money to learn that style. Believe me, it does. And just for you to put things in context for you, the best traders in the world with the most profits only make 2 or 3 trades in the year. Now this applies to stocks, not crypto, but they only make 2 or 3 trades a year. So maybe in crypto it's a few more than that, but generally speaking, you do not need to make a lot of trades to make money. It's just that it doesn't work for YouTube channels when you, like me, I'll do a technical overview every week, which is pretty much the same normally with the month because nothing really changes. And if it does, you can't really do technical analysis live. It's very hard. You can only do it offline because it takes many hours. At least that's the way I do it, the full technical analysis. And then if you day trade, it's you do it because you need to get those views to your channel. And again, it's fine if you're teaching it. The problem is with the YouTubers that are doing it and telling you what to do with it. That's the issue. You have YouTubers that teach day trading and show you what they're doing, but they study a lot more behind the scenes as well. Let's be real here. And that makes sense, right? XRP 1,000 top. It's not going to go to 1,000. You'll be very lucky if it hits $10, $20, maybe. B-Germ says, and we have a super chat. Thank you very much. We'll look at it in just 1 second. B-Germ says, why are Bitcoin maxes losing their heads Well, they're not losing their heads and attacking people. It's people portraying them that they're losing their heads and attacking people. Most Bitcoin maxes don't really give a shit. They just hold Bitcoin and they're like, you know, go ahead. You can become poor for the rest of your life if you want. Do you see Michael Saylor losing his head, or Andreas Antonopoulos or anyone like that? No, you don't. The problem is that XRP started saying lies, or Brad Brandinghouse started lying about how Bitcoin, energy this and all that, which he should know better because he knows that most of that's renewable and it can actually help, but he's pretending to be dumb. Plus, apparently, he's been sabotaging the Bitcoin becoming a reserve for the US because he wants XRP in there as well. So now Bitcoin Max is like, you know what? We don't fucking want your lies. Guess what? 30%, where's that 30% or 30,000 coins of XRP gone? The 30% of the supply stack, where's that gone? Oh, look at this, and oh, look at that, and they're just calling XRP out. And I've been calling them out for years, so I don't know what the problem is. I agree with them. It's just that now they took it personally. I mean, don't throw stones if you live in a glass house. Is it bad that digital stockpile is not just Bitcoin? A digital stock. So it's better if it's Bitcoin, and then there's so how can I put this? It's okay for the US to invest in an ETF with different digital cryptocurrencies. I agree with that, but when you want to make a national reserve, it's a whole different picture. Because then I think the Fed controls that and gets in and out depending on the time, while the other one you have to hold and you have to buy it every single year. So it's very different. And can you imagine holding a bunch of shit coins in the bear market, even if they're not shit coins? If you want to argue against, it's just not. It's not good for the economy. It's not good for, like, big players won't trust it as much if it's not Bitcoin only. In my personal opinion, I might be wrong, and I'm not a Bitcoin maximalist. I'm just a shitcoin minimalist. What do I think of politician coins? Are they the new narrative? I don't think they're the new narrative. They're birthing a new narrative for people to do the same, though. We'll see what happens. It's very new to know what's going to happen, but I think they're birthing a new narrative. The stockpile of Bitcoin is not going to happen. You're going to pay 30% on Bitcoin because it's not California again. Bitcoin? I'm 100% sure it's not going to happen for Bitcoin. Maybe Bitcoin. I purchased XRP years ago at 0.05. It took a lot of patience to hodl. Yeah, but muscle, but Mike, I bought it at 4 cents. And I sold at the highs on the way down, documented. And then I said to get out before the last bull market because you're going to miss a bull market, and you did. So if you did, and then you bought back when I told you would have made a lot more. Now, yes, you huddled, but what about all that opportunity cost? Now you look like a genius, but back then you should have listened, if that makes sense. Sui and Solana will merge the wallets, Phantom. Yeah, it's going to do well. XRP and HBAR are only tax-free. No. Daryl, stop. No, they're not. They're not. No cryptocurrency right now, as of this day, is tax-free. The only one that may be tax-free as of now is Bitcoin, and they're talking about US narrative Bitcoins. And it's not just XRP and HBAR. Whoever's telling you that is a fucking liar. Are you still seeing mid and last Bitcoin top? I'm looking at it, yes. Also, remember to donate. Please set aside some of your profit for those that are in need. Yeah, I agree with that as well. Giving is great. It's good for other people. It's good for your soul. But it's also good to have an abundance mindset. You will get a lot more once you realize that. I'm surprised that the market isn't more up. Yeah, me too, actually. I don't know Alexander Lorenzo. I might check him out. Yes, it's meme coins in behind fart pep. So fart coin is a meme coin, but you have to understand fart coin has more utility than XRP. And I'm not being funny. I'm not bashing XRP here. Hear me out. I don't know if you know this, but fart coin, yes, it's a meme coin, but there's a utility to it. It's the first AI sort of surveillance system. It's not for lack of better terms, it's learning right now, and they're using that data for AI coins. So yes, it's called fart coin. I don't know why they even named it that, but it has utility, and it confused me, and that's why I didn't get into it as well. And I missed it. I'm telling you right now. I recently got in after I discovered what it actually is. I think Crypto Piper told me. And that's how I got in. So I admit I missed that, if that makes sense. Dimitris Charalagopoulos, what's up, man? Best channel. Paul, what's your opinion about Algorand? It's the American-made cryptocurrency. It's a great blockchain. It's fast. It's efficient. Exodus.io is built on Algorand. We actually talked about that in the previous bull market and said it's going to do well maybe in the next bull market. But Exodus wallet is built on Algorand, and it's very good. Rene Montenegro, what's up, my man? Luai, my man, my partner, the man himself. How are you doing? I'm coming to Dubai, Habibi. Luai is my partner, by the way. He's in the chat. Honk versus bonk is the next narrative. Why? Why? Justify that. Where's the super chat? I forgot all about the super chat. Ryan Kern, what's up, man? Altseason incoming. Okay, so it's not a question, it's a statement. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate you. Really appreciate the super chat. Let's go back up. Let's find, where was I? Where was I in the chat? Where was I? Wow, lots of people here. There's so many people in this live stream, so many chat. This is awesome. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you guys. You know, quick break from the chat. This crypto channel, I don't know if you know this. I don't know if you know my story. I had another YouTube channel. I started this YouTube channel first just to put interviews I had for my book, The Crypto Factor. But I grew this channel while fighting cancer. And I was in the hospital almost dying, telling people to buy the dip. I don't know if you know that. You should look back. I lost my sister, my mother, my father, and this channel is pretty much all I have. And I want to say thank you because it kept me going. These live streams kept me going. Those of you who watched my channel, probably have seen me through some rough times. I really appreciate you. I really love you guys. Like, you've helped me as well. A lot of people say, Paul, I get messages, Paul, you help me make money, you help me do this, thank you so, and then you thank me all, but you have to understand that this likewise, thank you as well. Because it gave me purpose. And when I lost my job because of cancer, because I was the marketing director of a fully licensed and regulated crypto exchange, I was working as a consultant and doing stuff for Mintable. I was doing a whole bunch of stuff. And cancer really, really fucked me up there, man. I couldn't work. And when I went through CAR-T therapy the third time I got cancer, which is kind of like bone marrow transplant, but more harder, I didn't know if I was going to live or anything, and when I came back, I couldn't work. I couldn't work high-stress sea-level positions. I couldn't travel. I couldn't do shit. And I kept this channel going, and then I slowly started. I made the coaching available. I got a lot of support. I helped a lot of people one-on-one coaching. I could even hardly breathe. I remember live streams back then. I couldn't breathe through my live streams. And then I did the group as well, and that saved me. I mean, this is my job now. I don't know if you understand. There's a lot of people, if you're so good at crypto, how come? Well, that's why. Because I couldn't do anything else. And for you, those of you that put faith in me, and I really love you guys, man. I love this, Just wanted to let you know that I am grateful. Very grateful. And thank you. Really thank you. So let me get back to the chat before I get too sentimental and stuff like that. Paul, you and banter would be perfect. Yeah, I know, but we'd probably argue a lot. But I like banter is there's various channels that are good at various things, and if they just stuck to that, they'd be amazing. And it's very hard to admit your flaws, and you want to do everything. You want to know everything. So it's very hard to do that. So when it comes to banter, he's very good at news, he's very good at analyzing what's going on in TradFi, and has a good opinion on that. And he knows how to host. He's very good at what he does. He just should stay away from charts. And when it comes to me, I'm a good swing trader. I'm a good investor, swing trader. That's what I like to see myself as. I'm not very good at day trading because I'm too emotional. I'm Greek. The Greek comes out and I revenge trade. I'm not good at that. And it shows. Like if I look at my history, I'm shit at day trading. I'm good at swing trading. So why should I day trade and not swing trade? And why should I teach day trading when I'm clearly not good at it myself? I'll just stick to and I'm more good at calling tops and bottoms and long-term narratives. That's what I mean. I called AI in the last bull market for this bull market. I called the tops and bottoms. That's what I'm good at. That's what I'm good at. You come here to see when the bull market's beginning or over. That's how I call 15.6K. But there's other things I'm not good at. Right? And I know the tech side of things, but I'm not very good at other things in tech. Now I'm studying AI. That gives me an advantage in the AI. You have to be... Ivan on tech is very good for news. He's very good at looking at the news and giving an opinion on the news. He's not the best trader in the world. He doesn't have to be. He follows his indicator. He's doing great. I like Ivan on tech. When I wake up in the morning, if I want to hear the news as I'm having breakfast, or if I'm working out, or if I go on a road trip, I listen to Ivan on tech. If I want TA, I'll be listening to the chart guys. And there's others too. If I want the Bitcoin opinion on charts and everything, what's going on, I'd listen to Tone Vase. There's a lot of good channels out there. But you have to know what they're good for, if that makes sense. You know, here, let me show you something. Here, let's do an experiment. And feel free to try this yourself. Okay. What are some of the best crypto YouTube channels out there? Why are they good? As in strong points. And why, let's do, for example, crypto banter, let's do the crypto factor, let's do Ivan on tech, why listen to which, and I know this is not exactly prompt engineering, but let's just do it like this and see what happens. Let's leave the spelling mistakes in. So here are some of the best YouTube channels and their strong points, including why they're worth following. Crypto banter, strong points. High quality production, agreed. Daily market updates, agreed. That's very good. Expert panels, yes they are. And variety of content, yeah, I agree with that. The crypto factor, strong authenticity and reliability. Relatability. Offers a no BS straightforward approach with conversational tone. Very true. Wide expertise combines crypto knowledge with sales best because of my past in sales, marketing, and consumer psychology. Real life experience, unique insights from personal experience in crypto trading and consulting. Niche focus explores deep topics like mindset, crypto scams, and lessons from personal mistakes. That's interesting. Why listen? Perfect for those seeking relatable, honest, and motivational approach to crypto. Appeals to viewers interested in both technical and personal side of crypto success. Ivan on tech. Developer perspective. This is fucking amazing. Educational contact. Very true. I learned a lot from Ivan on tech. Industry insider. Yes, he is. I'm a bit of an insider because I worked for companies, but Ivan is very insider because of Morales money and so on. He talks to projects, so he has inside information, more than me. I've worked with companies, I know companies, I talk to companies, but Ivan, he knows his shit, right? So he's tech-savvy individuals and developers who want to stay ahead in blockchain advancements and so on. Coinbrew, very good channel. I used to get bored of him, but it's very good as well. BitBoy Crypto, why is his strong points? Why listen? Let's do this. It talks about different crypto channels, and then it talks about diversifying your sources. Let's do this. What are the negatives of each channel? Which ones are shillers. I don't know what's going to answer, by the way. This is just my ChatGPT. It might be different for someone else, but it's going to be funny. And which ones? Elaborate. Let's see. Crypto banter. Frequent promotion of altcoins. High risk focus. Overhyping trends. I totally agree. Shilling level moderate. Okay, I agree. The crypto factor. Smaller reach is one of my negatives. Less focus on trends. Really? I agree. I guess so. And shilling low level. The channel emphasizes on participant transparency. There's no known history of promoting tokens or monetary gain. While here it's moderate. While the content is informative, the promotion of certain tokens might serve hidden agendas, including... This is really, really interesting. Ivan on tech, shilling level, low to moderate, okay? Technical depth, negatives. So it's got different negatives and positives. Okay. Coin Bureau, shilling level is low. It's very low. Coin Bureau maintains a reputation. Yeah, no, Coin Bureau for me is very low shilling. BitBoy Crypto, shilling level high. BitBoy, what you done? But he's got two channels. Depends which channel you're talking about. Benjamin Cohen, shilling level is low. Altcoin Daily, shilling level is moderate. Crypto Lock, shilling level moderate to high. Why shilling matters, who to trust. For objectivity, Coin Bureau, Benjamin Cohen. I agree. For trading, crypto banter, altcoin daily, I disagree for trading. I really disagree with the AI on this. But anyway, for deep technical logic, Ivan on tech, I agree. For authenticity, the crypto factor, I can't complain. For no! Oh, don't do that to my guy. Ben, if you're watching this, it's the AI. I'm not saying shit. You can fight, though. I'm surprised he didn't say that. Who would win in a fight? Wait. This might be funny. Of all these people, who would win in a fight? Here's the playful take. Okay, crypto banter, fighting style, running away, screaming. I'm just kidding. We don't know. Strategic planner. Ran might play defensive game using his market. Oh, this is doing crypto fights. No, I'm talking about... man, okay, doesn't matter. We'll read it anyway, then we'll go for real fights. This is funny. All right, strategic planner. Ran might play a defensive game using market analysis skills to time his moves perfectly. Charismatic and quick-witted. He is. He could talk his way out of a fight or confuse the opponent with fast-paced banter or running away. Let's confuse him by running away. Banter, if you're watching this, man, I don't see you much as a fighter. I don't think you need to be. You probably have more money than anyone on this list, or most people on this list, so it's okay. Weaknesses, might rely too much on his team for backup analysis. Okay. The crypto factor, you. Fighting style. Resilient warrior with a background in personal growth cells, having survived cancer, you'd bring unyielding determination and mental strength to the fight. Yes. Strengths, unshakable mindset and experienced in overcoming adversity, likely to stay calm under pressure. Is very true. Very, very true. Plus I don't know if you know this, I have background in fighting, so. Weaknesses, may overanalyze opponents before striking, giving them time to prepare. That's actually quite interesting. That's actually quite interesting. And I'm saying that because I remember a few instances. Ivan on tech, fighting style. Technical fighter, Ivan would bring a precise, calculated approach to akin to coding to a flawless combat. This is fucking gold. Coin Bureau is a chess master. This is awesome, dude. Weaknesses, may overthink his moves. BitBoy. Fighting style. Aggressive brawler. Ben might come in swinging and pure energy of bravado. This is true. I've seen him do this in real fights when he was fighting. Passionate and confident. Very true. He's larger than life. Yeah, this is very true. Weaknesses. Overconfidence, susceptibility to... Yeah, very true for a strategic fight. Let's do something... Okay. How about in a real fight with background... in fighting, if any. Let's also add Alex Becker to this. Let's see. Oh, wait. Before we go, look, winning vertication is me. With a combination of resilience, life experience, and mental toughness, you'd likely outlast all... okay, wait. Your personal story and ability... Okay, so I agree. Would you like a more detailed hypothetical fight back? No, I agree, but because of me overcoming cancer 3 times, you have to understand, I'm on blood thinners, I'm on meds, I've got some issues, so I can't last as long as I probably lose. I wouldn't be there. I'd hold my own, but if someone would, energy-wise, I'd be beat. I'm telling you right now. I'm just being honest. But anyway, let's look at the. I wonder if this is skewed towards me, because I don't know. All right, let's break realism and include. Okay. Crypto banter ran. Background in fighting, none publicly known. Fitness level, likely stays in decent shape given his active and high energy persona. Very interesting. Real fight potential, Ran might lie in charisma and wit rather than physical combat. However, without a fighting background, he'd likely, I agree. Chances of winning is low unless he can talk his way out of it. Crypto factor U. Background in fighting, no explicit mention of formal fighting, but surviving cancer multiple times shows mental roughness and resilience, which often translates in physical. Well, I have background in fighting though, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Likely decent, given you a proactive mindset, blah, blah, blah. Chance of winning high, especially if it's a battle of resilience. Interesting. You'd be able to type to fight smart. Okay, got it, okay. Ivan and Tech, non-publicly known. Low unless he uses AI or a guy. Coin Bureau. None known. Guy appears intellectual and composed, not particularly aggressive. Chance of moderate against non-fighters, low against trained opponents. Okay, I agree. Bitboy. None known. No, he's known. He's fought. Bitboy has fought. We know this. Wait, because this is wrong. This is skewed wrong. I think Bitboy would win. And Alex Becker. So maybe I agree with this. Winner prediction in real fight. Alex Becker with actual martial arts training and peak fitness. Becker would be the clear winner. I agree with Alex Becker. Me, while formal training isn't mentioned, your mental toughness and ability to endure challenges, okay. And Altcoin Daily, their teamwork. Yeah, if they're both of them together, I guess. But yeah, anyway, let's get back to the chat. I'm not sure if this is interesting or not. It was just fun. A lot of people left, so maybe it wasn't that interesting. What's your most recent buy project? It was Colin and Leah, AI, and you'll see why this week or next. What's buy my Zodiac Pro? It's not what? Okay. Oh, okay. Your Zodiac. It's not your fault. I put $2.15 to Sui at 50 cents. My investment is now worth about $3K. Would you recommend selling? No, I'd hold. I'd hold, but take profits soon, like when we get another pump, so you can then buy low if you want. And I agree with Nero Gimme's jokes, by the way. Sold 1K of XRP. Awesome. Oh, you're born in pig years? Okay, got you. Can fetch hit $4? Oh. If my memory serves me. Yes, it can. I know that was fast. I looked at the chart real quick. It's a 4x. It can do it. Or 3.5x. And Paul can do very well. I'm not going to look at the price because it's part of my portfolio and I'm betting big on it. So it's going to do well. So here's where I disagree with you. Like I said before, I purchased the large bags, a 0.05. So that tells you how long I've been holding. XRP has gone past every influencer prediction. No, it hasn't. Why are you saying this? I hate it when people do that. What do you mean every influencer prediction? Have you not seen my videos? Like really, have you not watched any of them? Are you new here? In all honesty, because if you have been watching and you disagree with me, how can you disagree? I sold at the highs, right? Told everyone to get out before the SEC and told everyone to get back in the lows. I have a video, you can watch it at the lows if you wanted to. And I said I wasn't, but you can get into the lows. And to get in at 72 cents and it will go up. Now, if you do the math from 72 cents to where we are now and an entire bull market you missed, an entire one, where I was just holding Solana in most part, what are you talking about? Like, where do you get this math from? Anyway, come on. I'm not mad at you. I'm just saying, man. We're just debating here, okay? At one point, you were talking about a Trump dump before or after the. So yeah, I was talking about a dump before Trump, and if it wasn't deep enough, we might get one around the Trump around Trump taking office. Now the truth is, we did get that dump, but I wasn't sure if it was deep enough. And now we're seeing the chart sort of hold up, and I believe that we would have got a jump, but there's so much bullish news that it's keeping the price up. So maybe we had that dump. That's the way I see it. Money is the root of all evil. That's it, Henry. Thank you so much. So money is the root of all evil, but the Bible doesn't say that. It says the love of money is the root of all the evil. There's a very big difference between money being the root of all evil or the love. I'm not telling you to love money. Does that make sense? But you're not going to make it if you hate it. That's what I'm saying. That's the difference. Thank you. Dimitri says the most important thing in anything you do is mindset. I completely agree with you, man. Hi, Paul. And that's why I have a course. My course that's coming out, Invest, Trade, and Think Like the Crypto Factor, is mostly about mindset and how I think. And that's also in the description, I think. If not, it's cryptomarketing.com, cryptomarketingcoach.com. All right. Hi, Paul. When do you think the top will be? Why are we talking about the top? I've made so many videos about this. I don't want to talk about this. I want to talk about new things in this live stream. Why are you worried about the top? You should be worried about what's going up and taking profits right now. Scaring everyone about the top. I said that the top would come in end of 2024, beginning 2025 for Bitcoin. And then that changed once I saw Trump winning, and I said mid-2025. But the top isn't the end, if that makes sense. It can go on till the end of 2025, beginning 2026. It's just that the top of Bitcoin would begin. Yeah, these are the same influencers that said don't buy legacy crypto, you won't make any profit. And I was telling everyone to buy Bitcoin, Solana, and so on. As for ISO 20022, I think that we have a very big difference in opinion there, because I know what ISO 20022 is, and I've made videos about it. So that was mostly hype, and last time it ran on hype, as I said, and then dumped. Everyone was calling me crazy. That's what happened. And now I'm getting comments on that video from years ago as if I said it yesterday. But anyway, best entry for Sue AI as soon as you can. Hey, Paul, check the US debt clock. It has a new section for Doge now. Interesting. I'm going to have to check that out, Thiago. Thank you. Brother Paul, I've been holding XRP back since 25 cents. Never took any profits. When do you recommend? Well, now you may as well hold. And see how it goes, even though I don't like it. Start taking profits on the way up, though. I have XRP videos about when to take profits, by the way. You can check my channel. Kenneth says the love of money, or anything else above all is the root of all. Interesting. Yes, the love. We have to keep that in mind. Bro, how can I explain my friend crypto is not a scam? Because he keeps telling me that basically you buy coins someone else's buys. Yeah, it was true. So, but that's in all markets, right? You even if you buy stocks, even if you buy whatever, you're buying something that someone else sells it to you. It's the same thing. It's all supply demand. Doing gym for 2 months, seeing no results in body, then you're doing it wrong. Because in the beginning, if you start working out, you should have a lot bigger. Yeah, you should have bigger. In the beginning, when you're new, your body should respond faster. And if you're doing it for 2 months, well, first of all, 2 months is not a long time, but you should see some difference. And then if you don't see any difference in like another 2 months, then you're doing everything wrong. I've been in crypto for a while. One thing I can honestly say, I haven't met a crypto influencer that was 80% correct about nice prediction trying to... Well, you should watch my channel more often. How about Cow Protocol? I mean, I love Cow Protocol. I like my moo. You know I like that, man. Hi, what do you think about Render? I think Render is good. A lot of people are missing that Render is a US-based crypto, as far as I know. And it's also on Solana now, not on Ethereum. Mohammed, let your friends suffer. XRP is a scam. I know the influencers are. Are you still bullish on Agent S and Sui? Yes. Yes, I am. Crypto influencers should be testing crypto technology like all these various wallets to store your crypto. We need more secure crypto wallets. Well, crypto wallets are secure. It's the way you use them that's the problem. And yes, I've actually have certifications from the University of Nicosia for DeFi, by the way. I don't know if you know that, by the way. I actually do a little something in crypto. But yeah, I agree that more of them should do that. Ethereum is going to charge you big money to cash out. Yep. Mohammed, tell him, yeah. That's not for me. Today is the NFL Championship. Interesting. Is there an NFL fan base in Greece? No. There's a soccer, maybe basket, but that's about it. So what's your take on ETH? I still have a decent amount of money in ETH. My take on ETH was to exchange it to Solana a long time ago, but now it's slowly get back to ETH, see what happens, and then look at it. But look, right, let's be obvious. Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. Now that may or may not change, but if you've made profits in Solana when I told you to flip, maybe buying some Ethereum and watching it to see if it starts going up might be a good play. But generally speaking, I think Solana, Sui, and other chains are going to blow it out the water. So maybe there's no reason to get into it unless you want to hold long term, sort of a see what happens sort of approach. But chart-wise, Solana is blowing it out the water. They should name it to XRP. Render and GRT, please. I think Render is very good. I'm out of GRT. I think GRT was great in the beginning when it came for AI and so on. But then what happened was over time other plays got better. But GRT is great because it was the foundation for actually building AI. You would use it to build AI. But now there's other different alternatives. Should I get into Ondo? Yes. Quick answer for you, in my opinion. Let me just put this up real quick. Yeah, this is not my. This is basically just my opinion, not financial advice. Yes. I will be going with the family for some holidays to Athens on Friday. Yeah, I'm in Athens right now. If you are here, shoot me an email. Maybe we can get together, man. Maybe we can go for coffee or something. Yeah, definitely send me an email, man. You can find it on my website, cryptofactor.net. Can you check? I'm not going to check any charts now because we're running out of time and I want to get through all the projects. So I'm only going to be answering ones I know about so I can win some time. Now I just feel bad. Give me a second. I think it was the first time you commented, and I don't want to be a dick. Give me a second, man. So Reploy, RAI, I don't know what it is and what it does, but this looks like it's the good buying place right now. You could, no, I would buy it right now. If you like this coin, if you were wondering, should I get in or not, this is a good time. Yes, it can come down. Don't take this as a given. But it looks like it's found support. It's on support. Of course, it's new. It's from December. So not much price history, so I can't really answer with confidence. But if this breaks out, if this breaks 6.2, No, this looks like a good buy. It's a good risk play. How many sexes is it on? It's nothing crazy. It's on Ethereum, though. Okay, so this might do well. This is actually interesting. Where did it go? I'll check it out later. As for Axon, it's a governance token. Also in Ethereum, future of decentralized. February, March. Okay, so this has some time. Also a good buying place. If you believe this market is going to go up, this might be a good time to buy it. I would like to see it clear this triple top over here of about, let's call it 35 cents. So over 35 cents, I would buy it for an anticipation of it coming up to all-time highs or challenging all-time highs. And then I would see and rework my analysis if that makes sense. Why was January so bad for crypto? I expected it to be insane. Should have watched my videos, man. That's not a question, Mighty Mofo. That's a statement. What about gaming coins? It will come in later on, and there will be a trend stacking narrative with AI, in my opinion. Maybe even meme points, so maybe that will do well, but later on. Cardano is an American-made cryptocurrency. It should do good if this US crypto narrative plays out. I made a video on it. It's against the law. Give Bitcoin on reserve because Bitcoin is not controllable. No, you're actually wrong. It's not against the law. It's not. You can't make an executive order because the Treasury and Congress has to be involved because of the Constitution. So essentially, they would have to sell it and rebuy it. They can't use confiscated Bitcoin to become a reserve. But because of its decentralized nature, it's actually more adaptable to become a reserve, just like gold and so on. It's when you take companies or stocks, you can't really put into the reserve. And XRP is a stock. Why is XRP a stock? You might say, Paul, what are you talking about? XRP is not a stock. They made it and they gave it to Ripple. Yeah, but Ripple has filed patents on it and so on. And they own most of it, so they have control of it. So Daryl, the fact that you call Bitcoin just shows me you don't know much about Bitcoin. And you don't know what sound hard money principles are. I'm not being rude, just saying. They're going to tax your Bitcoin 30% unless you transfer into probably... Stop. Too risky, add reserve on thing we don't know how much for sure. Plus XRP already backed by company. Oh my God, you guys don't understand how this works. You really don't, and I don't have the patience. I can explain things to you, but I can't understand it for you. You're just making shit up, that what you're hearing from people, and it's just no basis. Really, really no basis. It doesn't make sense what you're saying. So you're saying that you're admitting that XRP is backed up by a company, therefore it's centralized. So how does this gain trust for all countries around the world for the American National Reserve? If, like, what are you talking about? Plus they can dump at any time. What are you talking about? No-brainer, Mr. Alligator. And geopolitics, if China really made it with the USA, and yes, I say China made it fully. Fucking hell. Oh, you know what the problem is? I could get into this right now, but I would rather get on a panel and debate this and make a video about it or call someone on the channel, because I understand that with what I'm reading, and I'm not going to be offended, please don't take this offensively, but with what I'm reading here, it would require me to educate you on a whole bunch of stuff for you to understand my point, and I really don't have time for it. So you have to understand a little bit how things work and what things are, what principles Bitcoin holds, why it holds it, and understand what XRP is, what pros it has and cons, and then make this debate with me. Thank you very much, James. Really appreciate you, man. Bianca listed it today. The two coins that are California are XRP, HBAR. It's non-profit, which makes more. There's more coins that are based in California. Render, I believe, is based in California. I believe Sui or even Solana is also based in California. As a matter of fact, I think a lot of American-made coins are based in California. Brother Paul, being married to my XRP XLM car fags, is it a good time to get a divorce? Daryl, I don't know. It's you've been asking in a lot of live streams the same question, and it shows me conviction. I don't want to tell you to do what you don't want to do. I want you to do what you want to do. You should, if you listen to me before, right now, I told you even earlier in the live stream, you might as well just hold now. Let's talk about Pulse Chain. Not doing very well, is it? The problem with the Pulse Chain, there's two problems with Pulse Chain, or three. Number one, the narrative doesn't work because your coins on Pulse Chain, even though they're split, they're a fork, and you get the same coins on Pulse, they don't come with the utilities of their utilities on other chains. So they don't have the same usability. And number two, the crossover, unfortunately, is very, 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 very difficult for new people. So it's very hard to bring in new people into Pulse Chain. And very few people that know about crypto, know how to use crypto, will go to Pulse Chain. So that's a problem. And all these problems stir and come, most of them anyway, from Richard Hart not being able to support and talk about it. Because I said as long as he's around, it will do well. The problem is now that he's in trouble, it's not doing so well. Will he make a comeback? Will it change? Maybe, but right now I wouldn't touch it. Honest opinion. Don't kill me. David says smash the like button. I agree. You should smash the like button. Final chapter in the end. Nobody knows for sure. Okay. James says he'd be rolling into the fight 60 deep with the VIP fam. Liked on treadmill. Awesome. Thank you very much, Nicole. What are my thoughts on Miria? In all honesty, get out. I was very bullish on Miria. We made profits on Miria. And I was holding Miria and GFAL. GFAL, I completely got out. I'm like, this is shit. They're not doing anything. And Miria, they haven't done anything. So there are better gaming projects out there. Now, while I still think Miria can pump, they haven't done anything. Show me a game they've done. I don't know. It's kind of weird. But they could still pump. Jupiter just burned 3 billion. Ooh. Paul, check out MicroGPT. Huge problem. I don't have time. I'm going to end this live stream pretty soon. So I'm just going to go through a few more questions that I can answer or whatever, because it's getting a bit late for me anyway. And I have some shit to do. Hey, Paul, do you know of a good course about blockchain technology? Yes, you can get the free MOOC at University of Nicosia. There's some free courses. They also give you a certificate. There's one on DeFi. That's one I took. I think that's the one you should go with. What do I think of Near and Ondo? I love Ondo. Near I'm good with, but I don't hold it. But I'm holding Ondo very strong. When I work out hard for a week straight, I see major difference. You just work out harder. Yeah, harder than last time. That's the trick. And steroids. Just kidding. But they help. Slovenia, what's up? Stanko Novak, my man. I remember you. Thanks for the response. The Onyx coin has a killer return. Got it. I'm staking. Can Suai 100x? I don't know. I'm not a prophet. But yes, it can. But will it? I don't know. It would take them really taking the lead and other coins not pumping though. Can the tokenization of assets like stocks and bonds happen? This will be huge in my opinion. I don't think we're ready for it. Paul, what are your thoughts on SPX 6900? No time to get into it. Do you think since we're getting a US strategic reserve, we might be in a super cycle, probably no bear market? I don't think that is the case. I don't think that is the case. But I do still think we're going to get a bear market. We might. The only problem I see with that is that we might get a recession. I know it's crazy, but we'll talk about it another time. Bear market might get shorter. That is possible, but we'll still have a bear market. Can AI Oz reach $5 to $6 in this bull market? Let me quickly look at AI Oz price because I can't remember, and I would have answered this if I did remember. It's at $1. The all-time highs are at $2, and you're asking if it can get to, where was I? 5 to 6? Yeah, definitely can. Game narrative is dead. More like asleep. ETH probably will start well. Tonchain, I'm not in Tonchain. It's good, but I'm not in it. You can't be in every single thing. I used to be in it, took profits. Can you please say the free course for crypto and DeFi again? Yeah, it's on the University of Nicosia. You will have to look for it. It's just UNIC, or University of Nicosia. It's the free MOOC, MOOC, and there's one for DeFi as well. I don't know about what Magic Craft game is. Altcoin season in March, April. If it might even start this week or next week. Take care. Thank you very much. Really love all of you. Thank you for joining me on another live stream. Stay bullish. Stay successful. Just stay sane because this market is crazy. Thank you very much. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.